Referee raises his cock, and that is it. We have another Premier League team from St. Catherine.
Congratulations are in order, because after months of knowing the two teams that will not be in the JPL next season, we finally know the two teams that will be promoted and replace them. Congratulations are in order for Chapelton Maroons as first-time comer Racing United FC. So let us give a little bit of synopsis of how both teams got to the JPL, or in Chapelton Maroons get back there. Starting with the men from Portmore, Racing got here via attaining the number one spot in the regular season. They got here with 57 points from 24 games, a record of 18 wins, 3 draws and 3 losses, and a whopping 50 plus goal difference. Because of that outstanding performance in the regular season, of course, they end up facing the 4th place team, a much fancied, a much popular, a much legendary team in Reno FC in the semi-finals, and they won 2-0 in the first leg. The second leg that happened on Sunday, Racing was playing their best to make sure they secured that Premier League spot and had chance in missing, but Reno did well to score basically against the run of the play, but they could not muster another one. And in the end, Racing got that victory into the finals of the Tier 2 Championship along with that JPL spot after winning 2-1 on aggregate. So now that basically means that we now have 3 teams from Portmore that will be in the JPL next season. So we can have a trifecta of Portmore derbies thanks to Portmore United, Dumbarton and our Racing being there. So it's a good look. I must be very happy for Racing, and I think they truly deserve it after going to the semi-final round last year and only missing out a JPL spot by losing in that semi-final round to Limal. To now come back again so consistent this year, by far the class of the league, and they got things done, well, mind you, just barely, but they got things done over a tough Reno FC team. So again, congratulations to Racing. They definitely deserve to be there. I cannot wait to see them back in the league when the season starts. What will be interesting as well, that they play basically all of their home games this season in Spanish Town, despite being from Portmore at the Prison Oval. So it'll be remain to see if that will be the case in the JPL this season. Regardless, we just can't wait, especially for those Portmore derbies. While Chapelton Maroons returned to the JPL after finishing 3rd in the regular season with 45 points, which consisted of 14 wins, 5 draws and 5 losses. That record booked them a semi-final match with the 2nd place team Tru Juice, but the Maroons bested them in 2-1 in both legs for a 4-2 aggregate victory and a spot in the JPL. As stated before, the Chapelton Maroons are returning in the league after being relegated in the 2022-2023 JPL season. Only saw them got a measly 9 points with a record of 3 wins, 6 draws and 17 losses. Their points should have been higher, but they were punished by the league and they were deducted 6 points for failing to honor a JPL fixture against Mount Pleasant FC at Everettville Community Center last year. But they're back now, and it'll be good to see them again. Again, just like with Racing, Chapelton Maroons will be the 3rd team from Clarendon. So we're going to have another trifecta of Clarendon derbies on hand, and you got to admit, the parish holding the current Costa Cup champions, you got to feel that maybe Clarendon is the number 1 parish for Jamaican football. But regardless, it's good to see Chapelton Maroons back as well. You'll be interested to see how they perform this time and see if they learn anything, especially when it comes to the organization, from their time in the JPL 2 years ago. Here's hoping they don't have another mishap with the league again and miss any fixtures. But with both teams now securing the JPL spots, their season is still not quite over, as both teams will now contest this Jamaica Tier 2 Championship final. And from you can see from some of the graphics I've been using in this video, along with some of the football highlights, you can see that the home of the Jamaican Tier 2 all season has been at our good friends MG Sports TV, who should have the final live for us coming this weekend. So guys, go over them and give them a subscription, especially if you want to catch the final come weekend. But otherwise, that is all here from JPL Fun. Again, congratulations one more time to Racing United FC and Chapelton Maroons for your promotion back to the JPL. We look forward to see you guys play. And I thank you all for watching. And if you're new here, please like, subscribe and share as we continue to give you all the JPL off-season news leading up to the new season. Otherwise, if you want to know who will be replacing at least one of these teams in Tier 2, it might just be Boys Town, who played one of the greatest Super League finals ever, and we got the review for that right here. Otherwise, keep it locked right here at Jump Hill Fun. YouTube, big up yourself.